If your business is still relying on manual work to move data, sync systems, or follow up with leads, you are leaving money and time on the table. Hi, I'm Rizwan, an automation engineer with hands-on experience building real workflow systems for real businesses using n8n, Make.com, Zapier, GoHighLevel, and Salesforce CRM. At Urban Finder, a B2B distribution company in Singapore, I built a complete automation stack: order processing, payment via Sync, Zero, logistic, booking via APIs, and live database updates in Superbase. All running automatically through n8n and Make.com. What used to take hours of manual works now runs on its own end-to-end. I'm also work with FlowView, an automation-focused software house where I help clients across industries replace slow manual processes with fast, reliable automated systems, from CRM pipelines to AI-powered workflow. If you have a process that eats your team's time, I want to hear about it. Message me, describe the problem, and I will come back to you within 24 hours with a clear plan. Let's build something that works while you sleep.